This blue diamond gray fry pan is a great addition to any home. It's an 8-inch frying pan. The pan has a hard anodized aluminum body. This makes it strong and long-lasting. The gray color looks nice in most kitchens. You can use this blue diamond gray fry pan for many meals. It's perfect for cooking eggs or frying bacon. The size is just right for single servings or small dishes. The non-stick coating is a big plus. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. This blue diamond gray fry pan is also PFAS-free. That means it's made without harmful chemicals. You can feel good about cooking with it. It's dishwasher safe, so cleaning is even easier. Plus, it's oven safe to a certain temperature. This adds to its versatility in the kitchen. It works well on most stovetop ranges. Overall, the blue diamond gray fry pan is a reliable choice. It offers good performance and convenience. It's not like winning sports, but it makes cooking easier. It might not be a CD you play, but it's a kitchen tool you'll use often. While it's not from departments in India, it's a handy item for your home. It doesn't have the fancy edge of some high-end brands like Michelangelo, but it gets the job done well. Pros: hard anodized, durable build, ceramic nonstick, PFAS-free, toxin-free, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 600 degrees F. Even heating, easy cleanup, comfortable handle, metal utensil safe, warp control base. Versatile use. Cons: needs oil sometimes, metal can scratch it, glass lid can break, handle can get hot, coating may degrade. Not for all stovetops, some find it sticks. Mixed user reviews. Features: blue diamond brand, hard anodized, ceramic nonstick 8-inch size, frying pan, skillet type, PFAS-free, dishwasher safe, oven safe, gray color. This 8-inch frying pan from Blue Diamond is made with hard anodized aluminum, which makes it strong and last a long time. It has a ceramic nonstick surface, so food will not stick easily while you cook. This pan is also PFAS-free, meaning it's made without certain chemicals. It's safe to wash in the dishwasher, and you can even use it in the oven. The pan is gray in color. This Blue Diamond 8-inch frying pan has a strong build and a nonstick surface made without harmful chemicals. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven up to 600 degrees F. The pan heats evenly and is easy to clean. Plus, it has a comfortable handle and a base that helps prevent warping. You can use metal tools on it, and it's good for different kinds of cooking. But sometimes you might need to use oil. Be careful because metal can scratch the surface. The glass lid can break, and the handle can get hot. The non-stick coating might wear out over time, and it doesn't work on all types of stoves. Some people have found that food sticks to it, and user reviews have been mixed.